In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're sprucing up your blog, revamping your business website, or just experimenting with Squarespace's flexible design options, adding a new section can significantly change the look and feel of your site. So let's dive right in and make your site even more stunning. First things first, begin by navigating to the Squarespace website. It's the starting point for anything you want to do on your site, from adding content to tweaking your design. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to accessing your Squarespace dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now, you might have multiple ways to log in, but for simplicity and speed, let's use the Continue with Google option. It's a quick way to sign in without having to remember another password. Just click on Continue with Google, and you'll be prompted to choose an account. Select the Google account you used to register or manage your Squarespace site. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to select your website from the list of sites associated with your account. If you have more than one site, make sure to click on the correct one where you intend to add a new section. This takes you into the heart of your Squarespace site's backend, where all the design and content adjustments can be made. Once your site is open, look for the Edit option. This might seem a bit tricky at first, given Squarespace's sleek design, but it's usually located on the left-hand side panel or directly on your site preview as a button. Clicking on it will switch your site into the editor mode, where you can make live changes to your site. Remember, you're now in the control room of your website's design. Here, everything you adjust can potentially go live depending on your actions, so tread with a bit of caution and creativity. With the editor mode activated, it's time to add a new section to your page. Locate the Add Section button, sometimes represented by a plus sign, plus, or explicitly stated. This button is your key to expanding your site's content. Click on it and prepare to explore the myriad of layout options Squarespace offers. After you click, Squarespace will present you with various section styles to choose from. Each style has its unique layout, design, and purpose. Whether you're aiming for image galleries, text blocks, testimonials, or anything in between, there's a style tailored for your needs. Take your time to scroll through the options. Visualize how each style complements your current page setup and the message or mood you're aiming to convey. Remember, the right choice here can significantly enhance your site's appeal and user experience. Once you've found a style that resonates with your vision, go ahead and select it. And just like that, you've added a new section to your Squarespace site. It's an achievement surely, but it might not be perfect yet. This is where your creativity comes into play. You can adjust this section further, change the layout, add or remove elements, tweak the colors, and much more, all to ensure it blends seamlessly with the rest of your site and serves its intended purpose beautifully. What's fantastic about Squarespace is its user-friendly interface, which encourages experimentation and learning. Don't be afraid to play around with different settings. The platform's designed to be intuitive, guiding you through the process of fine-tuning your site's appearance and functionality. Remember, the goal here is not just to add a section, but to enhance your website's overall impact on your visitors. Whether it's through compelling visuals, engaging text, or intuitive layouts, every addition should contribute to a cohesive and captivating online presence. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of adding a new section to your Squarespace site. It's a simple yet effective way to refresh your site's look, introduce new content, or even overhaul your entire site structure. With Squarespace, the possibilities are virtually endless, bound only by your creativity and vision. Now go ahead and make your website even more exceptional. Happy designing!